Back. My name is still Abigail Muraguri. I've been taking you through Calculus 1 limits. We've so far covered formal and informal definition of limits, right hand and left hand limits. And as I had promised, today we're going to cover limits at infinity and infinite limits. So let me begin with limits at infinity. So these limits are, we said that the limit of f of x is said to be, approaches L as x approaches infinity. So limits at infinity are limits of functions where x is made to be arbitrarily large, where x is really large. Yeah. While infinite limits, a disclaimer, infinite limits are not really, they are not really limits, because they are just, it's just a word that is used to describe when a function, when the limit of a function or the value, when the limit of a function becomes arbitrarily large. When the limit of a function as x approaches a certain value becomes really large. So we can't have a limit that is approaching infinity or it's infinite, but it's just a term used to describe these limits. Yes. So if you find you calculate and you find a limit becoming an infinity, that the limit does not exist. Yeah. So,